this road of rose. People always wanna say you'll be fine, but they don't know the pain of driving through. They don't know about the traffic. I'm driving down 101. I believe that all my friends will down with me. I believe I see that they are right.